आदाब नाजरीन, सैयारा न्यूज़ टीवी में आपका खैर मकदम है। आइए देखते हैं कुछ अहम खबरें।
नुमाइश एग्जीबिशन में जीसीएफ ग्रुप की जानिब से ग्रैंड कॉन्सर्ट 2023 का प्रोग्राम मुनक्किद किया गया। इसमें साशा त्रिपाठी सिंगर को बुलाया गया था। इस मौके पर श्री अश्विन मार्गम, ऑनरेबल वाइस प्रेसिडेंट, श्री वी साईनाथ दयाकर शास्त्री, श्री वनमन सुरेंद्र, ज्वाइंट सेक्रेटरी श्री बी पापैया चक्रवर्ती, लीड ट्रेजर श्री मुखीर हैदर, कन्वीनर जीसीएफ श्री डॉक्टर पी प्रभाशंकर, एडवाइजर सीजीएफ और दीगर भी मौजूद थे।
नबील साहब, नबील भाई आइए, आप बुके दे दीजिए।
I thank Shashi Tirupati and her team for performing, giving an exhilarating performance and exhilarating performance here on the stage. I thank all the managing committee members who have cooperated in making this program a success, and I thank Mukhaid especially for bringing this program onto here to Hyderabad here.
मीरपेट पुलिस ने 3 चोरों को गिरफ्तार कर लिया, जिसने इरम सतीश नामी शख्स के घर में उस वक्त चोरी की जब घर पर कोई भी मौजूद नहीं था। चारों ने 87 ग्राम सोने के जेवरात और 928 ग्राम चांदी का सामान चुरा लिया। पुलिस ने इनको गिरफ्तार करते हुए इनके कब्जे से 87 ग्राम सोने के जेवरात और 928 ग्राम चांदी का सामान, एक कैमरा, एक आयरन रॉड और 2 मोटरसाइकिल्स को भी जब्त कर लिया।
On the intervening night of 5th and 6th, we received there was a house break, and the inmates went to Tirupati for darshan, and we received a complaint after they came. They noticed that has been a house break, and on that they have requested the police for the recovery. We actually we went to the scene of offence, did our investigation, and with human input as well as with technical inputs, we could trace the offenders. On credible information, today at Balapur Crossroads, three accused were apprehended, and they are being produced for judicial remand. And on interrogation, they confessed that yes, they have committed this offence, and we could recover the whole whatever was lost, worth 8 lakhs intact property from their confession. And in this case, the accused are Abhilash, Sandeep Kumar and Akash Kumar. This Akash Kumar is also involved in petty offences in LB Nagar PS as a juvenile. They have met, all three of them have met at the juvenile home. Two of them have met at the juvenile home and have formed into a group. This Mithu alias Deep Kumar, he is from Rajendra Nagar area, and he is also involved in a POCSO Act as a juvenile at Rajendra Nagar PS. Together, all three of them have committed this offence, and the modus operandi that they have indulged in is they go around on their bike. All three together go on their bike, search for a locked home, break open the lock, and do the offence of robbery, do the offence of theft. And in this thing, under the guidance of our CP sir, our Inspector Mahendra Reddy, and also DI Saidulu along under the guidance of ACP Purushottam Reddy and with the help of the team Narsing Rathod, Susila, Prasad, Karan and Shivraj, Yellaya, Anil Raj, Sayesh, Bharat and SPO Aruna of Mirpet have worked hard and they are, according to our CP sir's instructions, they will be rewarded soon.
जैसा कि आपने देखा नाजरीन, क्या हो रहा है देश और दुनिया में। इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए, लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए और हमें दीजिए इजाजत।